Okay, quick video on how to use your Vernier equipment. You see there it says Vernier. This is a Go link. It's got that little jack here, and this to go into the computer, USB. Here is the jack from the actual device that we were going to hang things from. So take this and put it in here, which I don't think I can do one-handed. And there's definitely a correct way and a wrong way to do that. Then plug this into your computer, which actually I think I can do on this side. There we go. All right, now on your computer, you're looking for Logger Pro 3.14 or whatever it is. It doesn't matter if it's 3.14 or not. Double click on it, it pops up. All right, now it says there's a force of 0.845 right now. I'm actually gonna hang this upside down. So now it says there's a force of almost 1 Newton, which is wrong, force of 1 Newton, and I'm just holding this. There's nothing actually on it. So the problem is I gotta do a two-handed thing again, or one-handed thing again. I'll put this over here. I need to data, I'm not sure which one it is, and I never know what I'm doing with this. I just play with it. Calibrate. All right, actually 0. So it's zeroed. Now notice it's down. And you would probably say, well, yeah, but now it's 0.014. What's the point? That's a lot better than 1 Newton. It's 1/100th, it's 1/50th as much. All right. So I'm gonna try and hook this over here. And let's see what we got. Okay. We have a force of, notice how fudgy the data is, 6.7 newtons. All right. Now, actually, you are supposed to collect data, and you can change your time scale here. You're gonna have to go in all these options and data and analysis. I think you can double click on this, and you can change it from time to force. You can do this, do that, left to right. I think I'll make this 20 seconds. So I went in, I just clicked down below. Don't know if you caught all that. Went down here and I clicked, right-clicked, no, double-clicked on the time. And I can change things. That's how I changed it, 2 seconds. All right, not the best video I've ever made, apologies. But what you wanna do is collect the data. All right, so now it's collecting. So when I hang it, okay, now I've lifted it up. It should stay more or less in the same spot. It's only doing 10 seconds, even though I thought I changed it. Let's see if I can get it to recollect. So I hit collect, and now it's collecting data. And it's giving me a fairly accurate number right around 6 and change. All right, it'll stop at 10 seconds, even though I thought I reset it to 20. And now I have data that I can use. It's saved, I can play with it. All right, notice that the force meter went back. So I can screen snip this. For those who weren't paying attention, it is Windows Shift S. That was helpful. Put my big fat knuckles in there. Windows Shift S right above. So this one, this one, and this one. And I can snip the data and put it in a report. All right, so that is generally what you're doing with Logger Pro. Play with all this stuff. It's really not that hard. Start collection, store, save it, calibrate it, zero it, analyze it. You can do all that. We'll do all that another time. The green button is to collect. You can change the force scale. Another thing is if you have something really heavy, this is only a scale of 10 newtons. You'll notice there's a switch to go from 10 newtons to 50 newtons. And also notice I can push down. I'm going to take this and push it into the table. If I push down, I get a negative force. When I pulled on it, I got a positive force, so I let go. Push down, pull. So you can push and pull on that metal piece, and it gives you both. Good luck.